Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make canvas glossy. To achieve a beautiful, durable glossy finish on your canvas artwork, the key is proper varnishing. We'll explore the essential steps, from preparing your painting to selecting the right materials and applying the varnish correctly. This process not only enhances the visual depth and vibrancy of your colors, but also provides a protective layer against dust, UV rays, and environmental damage, ensuring your art lasts for many years. Before you even think about applying varnish, proper preparation is crucial. First, make sure your painting is completely dry. For oil paints, this might mean waiting several weeks or even months, depending on paint thickness. Next, gently clean the surface with a soft, dry brush or cloth to remove any dust or lint. Finally, set up your workspace in a clean, well-ventilated area to avoid airborne particles settling on your wet varnish. Selecting the right varnish is vital. Opt for a permanent, removable gloss varnish, as this allows for future cleaning and restoration without damaging your artwork. Apply the varnish in thin, even coats using a wide, soft brush, moving in one direction across the canvas. Avoid overworking the varnish. Let each coat dry thoroughly, usually for at least 4 to 6 hours, before applying a second or third coat for optimal gloss and protection. For the best results, aim for 2 to 3 thin, even coats of varnish. Once the final coat is applied, the curing process begins. This can take anywhere from several days to a few weeks, depending on the varnish type and environmental conditions. During this time, store your varnished canvas in a clean, dry, and dust-free environment. This final step ensures maximum hardness, durability, and the most brilliant, long-lasting glossy finish for your beautiful artwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.